Hello everyone. Can you hear me? Okay. So this session we discuss about calculation of the volume of irregular shape and use integration. And previously we definitely have many formulas, right, regarding the regular shape, like this cylinder, right? The cylinder is the volume is pi r squared because the bottom and the base are the same size of the circle, right? So this pi r squared is same as that what? What's the area of the base times the height? This is the cylinder, right? Pi r squared times h. And I just test this around in another direction, horizontal line. That's the same area, right? Similar as here, we call this cone, right? Cone is similar to cylinder. The difference is there is only 1/3 area of a cylinder. You might ask me why. Now I will prove it by through the integration. How I prove if you use this formula, get the same answer as what I use integration. So I same way I move this. I line down this code like this. Everything same, just the direction. Okay. Use integration way of thinking. What's integration way of thinking? We think about this code is like unlimited slice of the circle get together. Alright? This way, right? Area is a lot of the distance 9y together, right? So but it's the same. But of course the circle are different size are, right? So based on this way we just make it simple and we make the CA the height. So what do we need to do to get the volume of the cone integration? We need to find R. And this R always changes, right? This R is y. We have to find the function of y. You know this function or just the function of the 9a, right? Formula is ax plus b. So you have two variables to find out. But here we already have two variables, right? B is on the 9 and A is the 9 and A, right? D is what? D is this one. D is 0, right? And what is A? A is now is equals to y equals to kx plus 3. Then we take the a inside. So a here y equals to 0 and k is 4. K plus 3. So k equals to negative 3 over 4. So this we can write it y equals to negative 3 over 4 x plus 3. So now we can calculate it the integration way. Yes, this way. So what's the difference from C to A? Is H, right? H is 1. R is R here already. Am I right? Of course, you cannot get a result immediately. Separate, simplify. Let's simplify outside. So it's become 16 then minus 9 plus 9. Alright. So dx. Okay. So this can be written as well. Written as well. 16 plus 3x cubed. Let me know if you don't know this. Okay, this is very basic. So this is like x squared, right? So this will be 1 over 2 x wait, this may be wrong. This will be plus 9x. Then this will be 4, 0. Am I right? Okay. So this will be, sorry, this will be 8. Right? This will be 8. Yeah. So, right? So let's see what's the result. So you take 4 here. So 4 here is right. Alright, so this is 1 for that. So 2 minus 1 is 4. Wait, let me see. Let's see. This will be 2. This is 280, right? 280. So this will be 2. So this will be 4. Good things I find out. Okay. So this will be 4. So 36. The second part, since they all 0, so it's 2. So the result will don't forget it. So the result 12 pi. Let's see, based on formula, it will be looks like what? The formula is volume is 1/3 pi r squared times h, right? So 1/3 pi. What is r? R is 3, right? So 9, and h is 4, right? So this is what? 3. So equals 12 pi. Is that same? Exactly. So this will use another way we can prove that the formula of the cone is right, right? Okay, let's go to another one. It's more interesting. Look at here, y equals to x squared plus 2. This is what? This is the curve, right, of hyperbola. And this is when I put them horizontally, it looks like this, right? But the same shape. And in order to make it simple, I move them like this way. It's okay, right? Because we calculate the volume. There's no difference. The volume is 2, right? It's just a change. Okay, this is another way I'm writing. What I really want to pay more attention is this part. Just the part of the curve. X from 1 to 2 and y from 0 to 4. Just all I want to focus on is for this part. And for this part, form this kind of area here. Okay. So what I want this to do, I want this area swirling around the y-axis, and then you can see after the swirl a whole what 360 degree, it will form a volume, right? That volume is looks like bullied something, right? I asked you to calculate an error about this one. So if we don't have formula for this one, right? So, but we can use the calculation integration way to do that, because think about this like many slices of circle as well. Am I right? So the based on this is the function. The height is the what? Height is the y, right? And here the r is the function of x. So here is we need to make the x is the function of y. So we already know this is y equals to x squared. So in the other way, x equals to square root of y. Am I right? So look at here, huh? So the volume here is volume here is what? Volume here is what? Is 0 to 4 or yeah, 0 to 4 because we calculated based on y, right? So pi r square. R is x, right? R is x. X is y's function as well. So it's like that's it. It's just that easy. This is equals to y. So it's like what? Pi what? Pi y, right? Pi y is like what? This will be dy, huh? It's not dx. Pi y is what? Is 2y squared. Am I right? And then this can be writing as 4, 0, right? And if it is 4, so it's 16 divided by 2. So the result is 8 pi. So the volume of this one, I don't know how to say that, right? It looks like a cone, but it's not a cone. It's xy. Think about another way. If this line, I just make it as if it is a C center and this is A. This curve CA is a curve. Okay. If this curve swirling around the x-axis and forming something like this way, right? Something like this way. It's another kind of volume, right? I don't know what exactly, but it's similar axis, but it's still difference. So what's the volume of this one? Similar way, we think about r will become what? R become the y. So now is the y function, right? Y function based on x, and the height here is the x, right? So you can write in here 0, 2, and pi is always there. What's r? This will be divided by x, right? R is x squared, right? Pi r squared. Am I right? Just that simple. So this will be equals to pi x to the fourth and 0, 2, and then pi 5 x 5 to 0. So this equals to what? 32 over 5 pi. That's the final result. Interesting, right? So hope you like this session. Okay, we really can do something that we cannot do before. Okay, so thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye bye.